Culture is one of the most important concepts in social science. The study of human society immediately and necessarily leads us to the study of its culture. Culture, which is the funded capital of civilization, is the most important subsystem of the social system and has greatest affinity with education, which again is the most crucial subsystem of the social system. The study of culture was first used by the pioneer English anthropologist Edward B. Taylor in 1871. Taylor said that culture is the complex whole which includes knowledge, belief, art, law, morals, customs, and any other capabilities and habits acquired by man as a member of the society. The study of culture has complex relationships that provide the societal information in the given society. This is the reason why Taylor explained it as complex whole, as it provides the multi-dimensional societal factors that is affected by the inter and intra relationships of man in the social environment. Culture consists of the beliefs, behavior, objects, and other characteristics common to the members of a particular group or society. Through culture, people and groups define themselves, conform to society's shared values, and contribute to society. Culture distinguishes human beings from animals, refers to music, dance, literature, architecture, and other creative activities. Tradition and heritage denote civilization, indicates the commonly shared ideas and practices of a group of people. Popularly speaking, being cultured means being well educated, knowledgeable of the acts, stylish and well-mannered. Sociologists define society as the people who interact in such a way as to share a common culture. Culture and society are intricately related. A culture consists of the objects of a society, whereas a society consists of the people who share a common culture. Culture is thus defined as the shared patterns of behaviors and interaction, cognitive constructs, and affective understanding that are learned through a process of socialization. In other words, culture is the result of what we learn as an individual and as a member of society. It is a way of life, mode of thinking, acting, and feeling.